Eh, dyan. KFC. Manok. Yun na lang, oh, 4 pieces. 4 pieces na bucket. Ayan.
Apat ka sa atin eh?
Oh, ayan na. Kasya sa atin. 4 pa si Karaso.
Dato?
Abot. 2 to 3 serve daw yan. Tama naman tayo, 3.
Ito may ano dito ko. Yung bucket ko.
Oh, yan. Bucket na yan.
Wings and then 2 pieces of this.
What you want? Like this one?
Walang kanin. Walang kanin.
Eh, dyan, have kanin. Oh, you can, maybe pwede ka mag-order ng
Maganda yung
extra.
ano. Maganda yung bread.
Try mo, hindi ko try din.
Ang alin?
Yung bread.
Bread? Bread. Yeah. Yeah, with this one the ano, one meal. This one the 5. The wings one.
Wait. Joanna.
Yeah. This one the bread. The bread. 2 bread only.